Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to update Brave browser step by step on your computer. Now, what is Brave? Brave is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software International based on the Chromium web browser. Brave is a privacy-focused browser which automatically blocks most advertisements and website trackers in its default setting. Now, it is a fast, private and secure web browser for PC, Mac and mobile. You can download this easily. Now, it browses 3 times faster. It is lightning fast, safe and private with AI ad block and VPN actually. It's coming down there for both mobile phones and for computers. You want to download it for mobile phone, which is Android. You can download it from Play Store. You can download it from Windows for PC and laptop from the Microsoft App Store. Now, do you know you can also make money on Brave browser? When you use Brave Rewards, you earn basic attention tokens, which is called BAT, for each privacy respecting ad Brave shows you. A typically engaged person who uses Brave as their everyday browser can expect to earn about $5 of BAT a month. Don't forget that this figure will vary over time and by region depending on a variety of factors. Now, how do we update this browser to make it more efficient? Now, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to update the Brave browser on your computer. If you're using a Windows computer, you can simply open Brave. That helps you to launch the Brave browser on your Windows PC. There you select settings, click on the 3 dots, also called hamburger menu, in the top right corner of the browser window and select settings. Then you go to About Brave. The option About Brave, it is in the left hand sidebar. So after selecting settings, in the left hand sidebar you are going to scroll down and click on About Brave. Next, Brave will automatically check for updates and install them if available. You may need to restart your browser for the update to take effect. Now, for the Mac operating system, the first thing you do is launch the Brave browser on your Mac. Then the next thing you do, click on the Brave menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Preferences. Now, in the left hand sidebar, you have to click on Brave and Sync. Once you do this, Brave will automatically check for updates and install them if available. You may need to restart your browser for the update to take effect. Now, if you're using a Linux operating system on your computer, the first thing you do is launch the Brave browser on your Linux system. Then you have to click on the hamburger menu, that is the 3 dots, in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. Then in the left hand sidebar, scroll down and click on About Brave. Once you do this, Brave will automatically check for updates and install them if they are available. You may also need to restart your browser for the update to take effect. Now, Brave usually updates automatically in the background, so you may not need to manually check for updates frequently. If you're having trouble with automatic updates, you can try restarting your computer or reinstalling Brave. To ensure you have the latest security features, it is recommended to keep your browser up to date. By following the steps above, depending on the operating system you're using, you can keep your Brave browser up to date and enjoy the latest features and security improvements. I hope you found this video helpful on how to update Brave browser step by step on your computer. Whether you're using a Windows computer, a Mac computer, a Linux computer, you can follow any of the steps put here If you're using a Windows computer, use the steps I mentioned for Windows. If you're using a Mac computer, follow the steps I mentioned for Mac. If you're using a Linux computer, simply follow the steps I mentioned for Linux. Remember, it is very important for you to make sure your Brave browser is up to date for you to ensure the latest security features. Hope you found this video helpful. Like I said once again, and if you did, do not forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See